Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make Google Chrome default browser in Windows 11. So here open settings, then click on apps. Here select default apps, search here Chrome, open Chrome. Now just you have to click on set default. You will see this check mark. Make Google Chrome your default browser. This check mark means Chrome is now as default. And also guys, you can see here list. If you see another browser, so click here and select Chrome, set default. So as we can see now, all files almost will open in Chrome as default. So firstly, select here set default, and also there are some different file types or link types. Open that and select Chrome. So thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.